students, we have already discussed about the black element and talking about general electronic configuration, how the electronic configuration of the black elements are expressed. Suppose general electronic configuration of scandium, it is formed as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s, 1, sorry, 4s2. Now count it, 2 to 4, 6, 10, and 2, 12, 6, 18 to 20. Only one electron remains, that is in the subcell. It is electronic configuration of scandium. On such behalf, you have given electronic configuration of chromium 24. All the electronic configuration may be expressed by such one, but there are some exceptions. All the elements do not show their electronic configuration like this one. There are some exceptions. And we are talking about exceptions only because generally electronic configuration is already known by the students. We are talking about exception such as chromium 24 and copper 29. Now talk about chromium 24. General electronic configuration of this chromium, if we giving electronic configuration like scandium, then the electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d4. 24 electrons are getting their position. But this electronic configuration, this electronic distribution is wrong. Because it is exception. Such type of electronic configurations are given in CBSE board examination. What is the general electronic configuration? Write down general electronic configuration of chromium. Anyone can ask with you, general electronic, what is electronic configuration of chromium? Because it is beyond rule. Electronic configuration of chromium is beyond rule. That is beyond Aufbau principle and Hund rule. General electronic configuration of chromium expressed as four S1 and 3d5. Now question, why 4s2 3d4 is wrong and 4s1 3d5 is correct? Attention please. When we express its electronic configuration, like this one, 3d4 and 4s2, it shows its electronic distribution like such one. Four S2 and 3D 4. Four S2 and 3D4. It shows that one orbital is vacant and 4s energy level which is lower than 3D. 4s energy level that is lower than 3D. 4s को हम पहले भरते हैं ना, ये लोअर एनर्जी लेवल है और 3D का हायर एनर्जी लेवल होता है. It have two electron, that is it is paired. ये बच्चों एक जनरल सी बात है कि आपको बताया गया है, if the orbitals of subcell have similar energy level, then they are highly stable than dissimilar energy level. Due to such reason, to get more stability, one electron of S subcell takes its position from 4s to 3d, resulting it becomes 4s2 minus 1. And it becomes 4 plus 1 condition, by which the stability of orbitals increases. Any problem? Due to such reason, the electronic configuration of chromium is expressed as 4s1 3d 5. Similarly, if we talk about copper 29, Cu29, the electronic configuration is expressed as 4s2 3d9. इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बनाएंगे ना तो 3s2 और देखिए प्रिंट डालिए 29 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए, 2 to 4 or 6 10 12 6 18 to 20 and 9 29. But this electronic configuration is wrong. What is its exact electronic configuration? Its exact electronic configuration is 4s1 3d10. Due to such reason, because maximum orbitals becomes similar in an energy level, so this is right electronic distribution and it becomes 9 plus 1 and it becomes 2 minus 1 to get more stability. It is called as half filled and full filled orbital stability. Any problem? So electronic configuration of all the elements of D block expressing various type of exceptions. Now you will think about some other electronic configurations also, such as NB41, molybdenum 42, Ag47, PD46, AU79, etc. Better all of you do practice about exceptions and see what are the exceptions and why the electronic configuration of these elements are different, are expressing difference from general rule as expressed in above principle. given by whom. And I think so that the electronic configuration of elements will be clear to all the students. And if any problem is being created, then you can ask with me by your mobile phone or in classroom. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.